Okay, I like this. We have like a slow burner energy here with this one. You have a connection, two souls coming together, filling each other's cups, but it's telling you to take your time. It's telling you to, oh look at that, then the marriage people behind. It's telling you to take your time, it's telling you to go slow, it's telling you to do what feels right in the moment. So slow burner relationships, the best ones, you get to know each other. It could be a friendship that's turned into romance. You may already be in this, you may be feeling these feelings, thinking, is this what's happening? Like, is it reciprocated? It is. It could be that you've been talking to someone for quite a few months and you've not quite got to meeting up, or you've not quite got to the romance stage or the physical side. But trust me, this is the way to go. Slow burn is the best, okay? So it's because you get to develop, it's because you get to find out a little bit about each other, you get to find out what's going on. Also, if you are still carrying things from the past, struggling with some trauma, some baggage from the past from you, or they are, it allows you to kind of slowly move into something new, feeling safe. So again, this could actually indicate a long distance relationship as well, but in this instance, I think it's more to do with the fact that taking your time stops you from feeling too vulnerable, stops you from feeling panicked, stops you from getting hurt, and stops you from self-sabotage. So this is something that's either already in progress, already started. You may have met this person and you don't even know that this is coming with them. You may have met them and been in a group and not even noticed one another properly, but then all of a sudden it starts to move. Or it could be someone that you're talking to and you're thinking, I don't know. You don't always have to feel like that instant bam. It could be that, you know, love's going to grow in this particular connection and that you maybe didn't see each other in that light. It could be a work connection where you're only kind of aware of each other in the workspace and then all of a sudden it changes. But trust me, you have the Wheel of Fortune coming in here, so it's fated. It's just supposed to take time. This is the divine giving to you, something that you're owed, something you deserve. So this is good karma coming your way in the shape of a relationship that you're going to be very happy about. But we still keep getting taken back to this place where there's obviously something still around energetically, okay? It could be for you, it could be for them. They're just like needing to move forward to the next phase. But whoa, look at those two. This often depicts that whoever I'm reading for, not long after, will be getting married. If you don't want marriage, it just means you're heading into a long-term relationship. So it could be that you have your person in your sights. You just aren't fully aware of that right now. But either way, this is going to be a success. So let's just finish up with an oracle card. But know that slow burner relationships are often the most solid, the strongest relationships, and the ones that stand the test of time. You know, building a friendship within a relationship is the best thing. There you are. Embracing one another, a union coming together. You will always come back to this person. So that could also mean that you've known this person in a past life. That's why it feels comfortable. That's why it's a slow burner, because you start off as friends, possibly. Or just pen pals, you know, just talking. And then once you do actually get to have a date together, once you do spend that time together, you just click. Right. Leo, Capricorn, air signs.